All right. Got some chicken breasts, Sanders Farm. Chicken breasts, $2.99 a pound, $11.18. I've been cutting them, making chicken strips, and this is what I discovered. Look like there's lines. See the lines? Then when I cut it, look at this here. Look how this meat looks. Now look at this here. Look at that. What do you think? Does that look right? Don't look right to you either? Look at this. Got this from Teets and Platte. Sanderson Farm chicken breast. That's what I paid. Cut these up. Then I got this big old piece. Look like I got a lot of lines in it. So when you cut this here, look like circles and lines here. And then I just by chance start pulling this back. Look at that. This is just strange. Look at this. Never seen chicken do this before. Hi family, it's Nasty Meat Journey. Y'all check out, watch your meats and stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this here, but I'm gonna probably contact them and let them know something's not right with this chicken breast. Hi family, it's Nasty Meat Journey. Hit the like, subscribe, and share. Bye bye.